Hey everyone, Jay Graham's here, and we have a beautiful 1964 Chevrolet Impala Super Sport 327 4-speed, ground up restored, power steering, power disc brakes. Beautiful car. Go to volocars.com. You can get all the information on this one, including the price tag and even a monthly finance option. And that is available on 200 classic cars we have for sale at volocars.com. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when a new car is posted. Beautiful body and paint. Straight, lines up real nice. Everything's looking really good. Gaps are nice, smooth along the bottom. No bubbles or issues or damage. This is all great. Check this out. You can open it with one finger. And I don't even have to close it. It'll close by itself, like a new car. So the roof line on the Impala, if you can see there's a line here and a line here, they wanted to make it look like a convertible. That's where the top bows would be. This is all straight, fits nice, no damage, no issues, all looking good. So the body on this car is excellent. It's even all painted clean, new gas cap. All the way down to the bottom, all nice, smooth, clean. Same thing on this side, opens so easily, and it shuts by itself. That's nice. Repainted its original Ember Red, and I forgot to mention, I bought this car out of Canada, and for a small fee, GM kept their records in Canada. I got the printout on how this car was born. It was born exactly like you see it, except for it had a silver interior in it. So when they restored it, they went to all black interior, but it was born a red 327 4-speed car. Paint's beautiful, smooth, shiny, glossy, has a little texture like your new car would have, just a little bit of orange peel texture. I did not notice chips or cracks or damage. I'm sure maybe there is a flaw here or there, but like here's a little chip touched up. But overall, it looks beautiful. The Super Sport has this machine turn trim down the sides here, and it's all looking really good. Door handle is probably an 8. It's smooth, but probably original. New dual bow tie mirrors. They look new and in great shape. All this is shiny and straight. All real nice, fits nice, no issues. All the trims looking really good. Original window, typical light scratches. Impala SS. This is new and shiny. Here's that machine turn trim. Round tail lights are really cool. Nice shiny bumper. So all the chrome in the trim on the car is shiny, it's straight, it fits right. Some of it has slight wear on it, and I'm being fussy. The 64 SS hubcaps look like new. It's got nice radial Firestone tires. Windshield's probably original. There's some surface little nicks and chips. Now when it comes around, we'll talk about the front end. All the chrome and trim. Same thing up here. It's all straight, fits right, shiny, looks beautiful. Let's go through the inside of the car. All right, I'm going to show you a beautiful trunk. Opens easily, just like the doors. Beautiful red paint's got the stickers, weather strips replaced, but all of this clean metal, all painted red. Isn't that nice? That's sweet. I did order the 3-piece trunk mats, so those will be in the next time you see the car. It has a complete jack and spare assembly. What a beautiful trunk. Huge, too. Yeah, again, visit our YouTube channel, and we're putting up some great content. Michael does the test drives where he goes through and checks the cars out, shows you how the windows roll up and down and turn signals work and shifting through the gears. Beautiful door jambs, the latches, the weather strips, all that looks like brand new. SS door panels look like new, including the chrome armrest and the window cranks and handles, all beautiful. You'll be looking at a really nice looking dash. Has the machine turn trim like the outside, all nice shape. Factory tachometer, the 4-speed cars come with this. All of this is clean. And then it has the optional padded dash. There's an option. Fits real nice. All this is in good shape. Glove box is clean. The light works. The interior lights work. Kick panels are real nice. Real nice carpet down on the floor. Fits real good. Not wrinkled. Reproduction mats. You got the machine turn trim on the center console with factory reverse lockout type shifter. And then on the dash, I forgot to mention the retro stereo fits right in the hole. Seats are in great shape. The seat I'm sitting in feels real good. It's all upholstered real nice. The backs are all upholstered. Same thing in back. You got nice carpet, mats. The light works on the back of the console. The seat, the side panel, everything in here looks like it's been redone, and it all looks great. Headliner's been replaced. It has little stars in it. I think that's cool. You look up, you're looking at the stars. Matching visors. Now they put the plastic on here to hold the seat belt label. This car does have seat belts in front. A beautiful 2-spoke steering wheel. That's an option. You don't see too often. So yeah, you'll be sitting behind the wheel looking at a real cool dash. Beautiful engine compartment. You can tell this car was restored. It was taken apart, redone. This is the original engine. The numbers stamped on the front of the engine match the Canadian paperwork. It's a 327 with all stock double hump heads, stock valve covers, air cleaner, 4-barrel carb with the choke tube still in place. The shields over the spark plug still in place. Fuel pump looks new. Firewall, all painted, taken apart. Everything's painted beautifully. Hoses run properly. Batteries secured properly. Radiator's got the right cap and even the tag and stickers. I always thought this looks like a 55-gallon drum that they just cut up. All the nuts, bolts, pulleys, brackets, alternator look great. Does have power steering and power brakes, and they've upgraded it with a dual reservoir, much safer than the single that they would have originally had. Now the wipers are hooked up, including the washers, and it even has the washer fluid concentrate in the glass bottle. So very clean, complete, detailed. This is a show quality motor compartment. You're going to go to your cruise night and you're going to open the hood. It's beautiful. All right, so the front end steering and suspension looks like it's been completely rebuilt. The springs, the shocks, all of it. In back, the shocks and springs look new. The exhaust, stainless steel exhaust. This has an X frame in the middle, and the exhaust is all bent to run very neatly right along the frame. And there's stainless steel MagnaFlow mufflers, and they're polished like chrome. Looking up at the motor, it's like brand new Chevy orange paint. The starter looks new. It is the correct Muncie 4-speed transmission, is the correct casting codes on it. Drive shaft was rebuilt. U-joints look new. The rear end has been apart. The bolts are all new. I put a call into the owner I bought it from to ask him a few more questions. So you can go to volocars.com. That's where you'll see the complete write-up with all the information about the car. The brakes were completely redone, and it's upgraded with disc in the front. That's a nice upgrade. The floors look completely solid. I didn't see any rust. Didn't look like it was patched up. Looks like a really nice, clean undercarriage on this car. So again, go to volocars.com. Get a lot of information there, including how to contact the salesman. They'll be happy to answer whatever questions, including how to get this delivered to your driveway and how to get that financing. And 64 Impala SS, thanks for watching.